Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. That is Techaruna, and I am so sure that all of you know that I am running a series on Canva tutorial. In today's video, we are going to see about how to create or craft cute and lovable characters for your comic strips, kid books, bedtime storybooks, or any other idea. So, without wasting much time, we'll move on to the Canva platform, log in, and take any blank template. So, for this, we are going to use an app which is called as Character Builder. So, we need to go to that three dotted place, and then you are going to type here Character Builder and choose it. The first option comes here is Character Builder. Click on that. The interface will somewhat look like this. You will have head. When we click on see all, we will have quite a lot of head with different hairstyles and face. So after that, go back and check for face. Here again, there is a bit of limitation, but then we have as many which we can use as a beginner. Then go back, and then you can see this body type. Here you can see the kids are in walking mode, running mode, jumping mode, sitting mode, dancing mode, anything. You can choose anything available here, whether you need a boy or a girl or an old man, everything is possible. Now, moving back again, another option which is very good here is you can change the skin tone also, whether you want a brownish, yellowish, or pinkish, or black, whatever you want, you can go for it. Then again, you can go for hair color changing also. So, we are going to choose first the head. So let me choose a head for a girl. So I can choose this one. So you can see here the character is built like this. Now you need to check whether we can change the face or not. Now we can go here and check if you want a surprised face or a sad face, upset face, or a happy face, or a laughing face. Everything you can choose here. Now go back, and then what you can choose here is your characters body type also. Now we can see here everything. If you want to change it as a girl, you can completely click and do it. Walking boy, girl, do it. Running, sitting, with joy. So anything and everything is possible using this. Now, if you want, you can change it this way. If you want, you can change it in a wheelchair. If you want, you can as an old or else a person with a stick. So anything and everything is possible. Now, again, I am going to change the skin tone and see. See, skin tone, they have given some five tones are there. Let us check one by one. See here, again, again. The changes you can see here very clearly, right? Now you can go for your own color palette also. If you want an yellow color or a pinkish, anything, whichever you want, you can use it. Now, the next one we are going to try here is the hair color. Hair color also, they have given five options. Again, we can use our own color palette also. You can see the color change in the hair. See here, done. So you can go for color palette. You can go for a gray, or you can go for a purple or a blue one. Whichever you need for your character, you can choose and do it. Now, let me actually show you how we are going to show the character built, and then we can always have a scene created over here. Now for that I need to go for a sitting position boy. Done. Now as we have fixed the hair and everything like a girl, it is a girl. Now this is done. Now after this you can go for done and click open. Now actually, if you want another girl, then again you need to position this and then go for another girl or a boy. I think I should choose one boy, and then I will again choose a happy face, laughing face, so that they are engaged in a conversation. Now I am going to go for again one more sitting position. Yes, so I can go for this. So both are in sitting position. I'm clicking done. Now your characters are done. Now we are going to position it. We are going to resize it. Come on, we'll resize both. And then if you think after this also can be edit, you can edit by using the option edit photo. Click on it. You'll have different filters where you can again change the colors. Now here it is. Again go for edit photo. Now here it is. You can go for any filters whichever you want to change it according to your own taste. See here there are so many options: mono, vintage, color pop, and soft, vivid, everything. You can do it as you want. Now we are going to create a scene for this characters. Now let us go to element again. Go to element, click for sofa. Now you will be getting some sofa. What I am going to choose here is I'm going to choose a vibrant color here so that it is going to match the kids. Now here it is. Make it bigger in size. Right, done. Now you have to layer them. Instead, I think I can layer the sofa, send back. Again, send back. Now here it is. Your sofa is ready and the kids are ready. Now we are going to make the kids sit properly on the sofa. Again, make this person also resize and make the child also sit over here. Now we'll add some aesthetic elements in this room. Now you can go for carpet. Now here it is. We can see any design carpet, see all, and then go for which one we wanted here. So I think I will go for a circular one, which is going to be placed here, and make it in a bigger size. I'm going to make it bigger size, position it, and I need a table. It is like a center table. Let us see what comes up. So I've typed center table. Whatever comes up, I'm going to choose the best one which is going to fit over here. I think this one will be better. I can do this and I can resize this. I can resize this. I can place it in front of the kids. Now I need flowers for the table. I can type flowers, and then whatever I'm getting it, I'm going to place it matching with the sofa. The blue color vase is perfectly in the center placed. Now again I need some background setup also. I can do some window curtain backdrop. So I can do this, choose whichever I want to choose here. Let me go for a very natural one. I am going to place it, layer it, sending it to back. Now it is sent back. Now I can make it in bigger size, bigger size. Now this is done. Now still I want the room to be colored. I can choose the background and make it more colorful. I can go for a light green color. Let us see. No, not looking good. I think this is more suitable. Now, this is how I am going to place this. Now the curtain is looking a bit more bigger in size, which we have to cut short. Come on, we've done your living room setup for the comic strip or the bedtime storybook or a kid storybook is perfectly ready. I hope you have learned something new today, and if you found this interesting and educational, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do write in the comment box. And that's all from my desk. And thank you for watching.